We got the girls with us today. Daddy's at work, but he's getting off in a minute. So I wanted to bring the girls to Spirit Halloween to let them look around. Justin and I were here yesterday, trying to see if Addie wants to get another costume.
Hello everyone, today is Molly. Spirit Halloween.
Don't say that.
Let's get started.
Are you ready to go see?
So I'm looking for Minecraft or some mystery or mask. I'm really going to like.
Okay.
I'm going to look for some race or something I can grab that from here and I say.
Okay.
Speaking of radio, so let's get started about Spirit Halloween by getting Spirit Halloween.
Addie, anything in particular you're looking for? You just want to look around and browse. All right. Somebody's excited. What do you think? I didn't notice the little details that they had. Look at this. And that little rat has the... That's kind of cool. They paid attention to detail this year. All right, what do you want to look at, guys? It's not going to be scary. Spin it. Can you spin it for me?
No.
Oh. Addie, you spin it. Let's see what your fate's going to be. Oh. Your luck just ran out, Marley.
Mommy, I'm scared.
I need that. My life depends on it. Oh, be careful with that, Marley. Oh, don't poke anybody with it. Oh, Jesus. What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh, no, you lost your toe? Marley lost her toe, guys.
My hand.
You lost your hand? Oh, my goodness.
Look at all those babies.
Look at this baby. Would you want to hold this baby?
This is cool.
That's Marley. Zombie baby. Is this not creepy?
Oh my God.
Mars attacks.
They have all of those eyes.
Here, let's see. Oh, goodness. Let's see. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. You had so many eyes.
I had so many eyes.
That's scary. Whoa. That is the Loch Ness Monster, or is it? What is this? Is it the Loch Ness? I don't think so. No. Addie knows about this, right? Oh. I thought you did. I thought it was like the Five Nights at Freddy. Uh-oh, what does Marley have? This one is fearless. Look. Help her put it on, Addie. What is that? Oh, my God. She's a crow. Oh, that's... Look, she put her eyes through. Let me see, Mars. Or not. Oh, you gotta be a king too, Addie. Oh. Blow mommy a kiss like Marley. Blow me a kiss.
No.
Exactly. Look how cool this is. Ooh. I love that. find that? Oh my goodness. Yeah. It's at least from the 90s. The mesh. Oh yeah. That would be cool. Yeah, you can go all out. You can get the scrunchies. The leg warmers? Yeah. Yeah. We gotta figure out the. Oh my goodness, we got a flamingo head on our hands. No, it's beer. Oh, what? Oh, this is right up your alley. A strawberry beret. Say wee wee. It looks like the shark is eating you. Oh my goodness. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. So Addie's thinking about Corpse Bride if they are able to dress up for school. I would do her makeup really cool. But yeah, that's cool.
Can you tell me my fortune?
She's gonna tell you your future. Stinking cute are these for $4. I'm gonna regret not getting those. They're so cute. So Addie and I came to Walmart. She needed a binder. Look at what they're starting to put out. Addie says it's a mom shirt. I think it's cute. It's just a little jack-o'-lantern face and it has eyelashes.
Wow, so amazing. It's like it's very creative. Everybody's creative.
Wow.
It's so amazing.
Wow.
It's definitely not a thing you can do at home with a DIY.
We should get one together. We'll keep. Look at this one. It just says Halloween. That's actually really cool. They got some more over here. This one's giving me like soccer mom autumn vibes. They have these. Oh, excuse me. This one says, sorry, Fresh Farm or Farm Fresh Pumpkins. These are actually kind of cute. I don't like the design of them, like the bottom of them. I don't like when shirts fit like that. If I do decide to get a shirt like this, it would be oversized. I'm not a big fan of the thankful, grateful, and blessed, but this is cute. Look at this. That's giving me spooky vibes.
Hey, I hope you know we're here for school supplies and not
I came back to the kids section. Stinking adorable. This only goes up to $2T. Here for the candy with the little spiderweb pants. Oh my god.
You said that we're not going trick or treating.
I don't think so. Just giving out candy. They have so many cute pajamas for Halloween. But they're cute. Look at the little Care Bear. They are. These are cool. Look at the little Jack Skeleton. Are these just for boys? No? Or for both? And then look at that. Look at this one right here. That's cute. It's an actual set.
It's like a sweater.
Yeah. Cute. Oh my $12.98 for these. There's so much fun stuff. Look at these cute little jack-o'-lantern shirts. I love my mummy. I actually found Marley some stuff at discount last year. She has a little shirt that she can wear. They have the cute little leggings, 3T. This stuff is going to be gone in a few weeks, so if I want something, I'm probably going to have to come back when they restock in sizes that I need. Like these. So cute. Alright, hi everyone. So today is Tuesday. I had so many plans to... I washed my hair. I did the laundry yesterday, and today was supposed to be the day me folding it up, cleaning up this mess. Look at this. Look at my floor. I had so many plans to clean, laundry. I was gonna redo my nails because I took the old nails off. What else was I supposed to do? I was supposed to film. I was supposed to have a really nice lunch that Justin made yesterday. He made this kielbasa? That's the name of the sausage? Kielbasa sausage and cabbage, and it was so good. I had to, I told him, hey, we need to make enough so we could, so I can have lunch tomorrow, and so you can have something to eat when you come home from work. It was so good. I just had that for lunch, but I have to clean all of this. Like, I have less than 2 hours because that's when Marley gets out of school. The dishes, oh my, there's so much stuff. But I woke up this morning with like a slight headache, and it progressively got worse throughout the day. So we're gonna try to tackle the majority of this stuff now. Just picked up from school. It's a struggle getting out that backpack. Getting out that seatbelt. Are you gonna tell me how your day was? It's locked, silly. I gotta unlock it. Alright, let's go take our backpack off. Oh, of course you do. Do you have homework at least? Jeez, in Walmart. Here's some stuff we didn't see. The little dress. It's a 2T. It looks like it goes up to like 4T. Oh, this is so cute. Mom's little boo. Cute. I love these little leggings. They have that purple one down here. Has little bats on it. The little skirt is just darling. And then, is this from Carter's? Yeah. For a little boy. What's back here? So we got a little cat dress. And something for fall, I think. Yeah, a little fall dresser shirt. Really cute. I have to do these pajamas. These pajamas are too darling. Or it's like, this is an actual set. I don't think this is a pajama set. I think this is in the wrong section. But look at these little unicorn. Oh my god, there's so much cute stuff. So much cute stuff. And then for the little babies, for the little babies, darling. my first Thanksgiving. So darling. The Target is starting to put out as well. These are really similar to the ones we just saw at Walmart. But this is cute. And then they have, that's really cute. It's a little big from Marley. What else is back here? Oh my goodness, it's like a Pugsley / Wednesday outfit. So cute. Let's look at this one. It's just got the Halloween colors. The leggings. Over there. We got, is this Pikachu? And Stitch. Lilo and Stitch. Truth or Scare. With Jack and Sally. It's cute. So the fall is showing up here at Target. This one smells really, really good. I didn't see that one to smell. Wait, here it is. Let's see what this one smells like. Warm cider and cinnamon. Okay, definitely. I don't know, I'm getting more Christmas from that one. But this one smells really good. How much is this one? I don't know, but I may have to pick up this one because it smells really, really good. So I can edit every day. So like this is just extra time for me. I'm in this line for about 15 minutes because I try to get here early so I can get up front. But I'm about to sit here. I got my ear pod in and I'm about to edit a video. So let's wait on little one to get out of school. So today is Tuesday morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I would usually be dropping her off at school, but as you can see, she is in the bed. She came home from school yesterday and she was so exhausted. Like I was just thinking, hey, maybe she had a long day. They played with her all day, blah, blah, blah. It was just like a very eventful day. She laid on that couch till like dinner time. Like she was just asleep, was not moving, didn't want anything to eat. And that's not like Marley. When Marley comes home from school, she wants some snacks. So, you know, me and Justin started getting a little worried, like, you know, is she okay? So I was like, hey, maybe a hot bath will, you know, do her better. So Justin got her up and she just kept pointing to the bathroom. So Justin ran her to the bathroom, and as soon as he set her down, projectile vomit. I was just like, what is going on? Like, she's sick. It's almost like officially the first week of school. Like, I did not want to keep her out of school, but I just don't want to risk other kids possibly getting what she got. I think it's a little bug. I pray to God it's not COVID, even though they are saying the COVID numbers are going back up. So I'm just going to keep a watch on her today, try to get her some Benadryl in her system. She's not eating anything. Like, she just wants to drink water. She's extremely dehydrated. Are you okay? Get a little cleaning done, just watching over her. I'm currently waxing my armpits right now. So I know this is common because with little kids, germs, this is bound to happen. If you put little kids in a daycare or any setting with other kids, they are bound to get sick. So, like, she's not moved. We have been up since like 6:30 and she's not moving. So I'm currently watching, I found this last night on YouTube. It was when Fox Family was holding 13 days of Halloween. I think Freeform has the 31 days of Halloween now, but they are showing all the old TV shows, movies that we used to watch I used to watch when I was a kid. What just went off? Something Anaconda. But now the Addams Family is on, and they're playing all of the Halloween episodes. So she's been kind of in and out watching this stuff with me. I'm into it. I feel like really nostalgic. This is the Addams Family. I totally remember this show. Oh my God. So we'll be watching this all day, trying to get some food in her system, trying to get some medicine in her system, just so I hope she feels better throughout the day. All right, so this is the black hutch. I don't like the way it looks, so I'm going to change some things around, get rid of some things. The next major holiday I am decorating for is Halloween, so we got a little time. I don't decorate for Halloween until October 1st. So the regular hutch is just not working for me anymore. Let's take a closer look. Like, I don't like the different colored books there. There's just a lot of stuff that's kind of out of place here, and I want to organize it a little better to my liking. So we're gonna take everything out and shift some stuff around and see how we like it. So let's do it. So it's all clean, top to bottom, nothing in there. Let's try and strategically place things in here that we know will work for us. So let's go in and see how we can make this a little bit more presentable. Looking like we're not too cluttered anymore. I like a minimalistic look. Another thing I want to get for just my living room, my mantle as well, are the little Amazon candles that have like the LED light. Because at night I'd like to see like the LED candles lit in the hutch. Sporadically. I think that would look really, really cool. So That's how everything looks now. The stuff that I had left over, I'm probably gonna put my cauldrons with my Halloween decor. I love these. I got these thrifting. These are perfect for like, and they're heavy too. Somebody tried to make a candle out of both of them, I think, actually. Yeah, so you can see. But they're perfect for Halloween decor. Candlesticks. I'm actually going to use this bottle for my Halloween kitchen table display. So we're just going to find a home for all of this stuff because I'm not using it. And I actually found the pajamas. These are too cute. Okay, so we got some ghosties. What is this? Wait, I'm stuck here, you guys. Hold on. These say, let's fang out. Cute. We got the Beetlejuice ones. Nightmare Before Christmas. These are adorable. And just the regular, like this is like the vintage Halloween. So cute. And I also see just the black cat ones. They also have some different like moo types that have socks that go along with them. So they have this little like pent up witch and the cat. This is cute. There's this one, which is more of like the vintage look. There's the black cat with the socks. And I think this is similar to one of the sets that they have. There's another one back here. Scary Good Time called Zombies and Ghosts Hotline. That's cool. So they have them. They are all stocked. I know these went viral on Instagram. So make sure you are checking out your local Walmart. All right, we're getting supplies that we need. Okay. To work on Justin's parents' house tomorrow. It's exciting. What are you starting with tomorrow?
Just replacing all the rotted like wood trim, boards on the corners, and the exterior siding. That's what I'm doing. Hopefully.
Let's get it done. You confident in your work? Why not?
Because everything that's going to go wrong is probably going to go wrong.
No, I think you got this. You've done it before. I'll be there with my hard hat, giving directions.
I feel like I told mom and dad, get out of my way.
Well, mom and dad are definitely going to be in your way. Overlooking too. So, good luck with that. But they have a freestanding tub over there that I want to see. Let me go show y'all. I think this is somebody's purchase because I think there's a name on it. Yes, but it's a freestanding tub. I have to look up the price of this because if this actually comes in black, that would be nice. I bet it's like $1,200. I'll put it on the screen whenever I find out what it is. But I think we wanted something like this for the bathroom whenever we replace everything. So I didn't even know Home Depot carried these. Do they not carry them in the store and they just keep them in a warehouse? But and it's black. Oh my god, that would be perfect. They're not too flimsy, are they? Not too flimsy, are they? We got what we needed for now. Uh-oh, he's doing the calculations in his head.